Hello everyone. Today shall discuss about other measures of central tendency, that is mode and median, right? As we have said, mean is not the only measure of central tendency or the only form of representative value. For different requirements from a data, other measures of central tendencies are used. Look at the following example. To find out the weekly demand for different sizes of shirt, a shopkeeper kept records of sales of sizes 90 cm, 95 cm, 100 cm, 105 cm, 110 cm. Following is the record for a week, right? Now sizes, size in inches and number of shirts sold. These are given. If he found the mean number of shirts sold, do you think that he would be able to decide which shirt sizes to keep in stock? Mean of the total shirts sold, right? The total number of shirts sold divided by number of different sizes of shirts, right? That is total is 105 and number of different sizes shirt is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divided 5 that is 21. Should he obtain only 21 shirts of his size? If he does so, will he be able to cater to the needs of the customers? The shopkeeper, on looking at the record, decides to procure shirts of sizes 95 cm, 100 cm, and 105 cm. He decided to postpone the procurement of the shirts of other sizes because of their small number of buyers. Right? Now, let us look at another example. The owner of a ready-made dress shop says the most popular size of dress I sell is the size 90 cm. Observe that here also the owner is concerned about the number of shirts of different sizes sold. She is, however, looking at the shirt size that is sold most. This is another representative value for the data. The highest occurring event is the sale of size 90 cm. This representative value is called mode of the data. The mode of a set of observations is the observation that occurs most often. Find the mode of the given set of numbers 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. Arranging the numbers with the same values together, we get like this, right? Mode of this data is 2 because it occurs more frequently than other observations. Mode of large data. Putting the same observations together and counting them is not easy if the number of observations is large. In such cases, we tabulate the data. Tabulation can begin by putting tally marks and finding the frequency as you did in your previous class. Right? Look at the following example. Following are the margins of victory in the football matches of a league. Right? Find the mode of this data. How to find? Let us put the data in a tabular form. These are margins of victory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are tally bars and these are number of matches. Total is 40. Looking at the table, we can quickly say that 2 is the mode, right? 2 is the mode since 2 has occurred the highest number of times. Here it is 14, right? Thus, most of the matches have been won with a victory margin of 2 goals, right? Now, question number example 6 is find the mode of the numbers. This one. Here 2 and 5 both occurs 3 times. Therefore, they both are the modes of the data, right? Therefore, you can say that mode is another representative value. Now we shall discuss something about median, right? We have seen that in some situations arithmetic mean is an appropriate measure of central tendency, whereas in some other situations mode is the appropriate measure of central tendency. Let us now look at another example. Consider a group of 17 students with the following heights like this. Okay, the games teacher wants to divide the class into two groups so that each group has equal number of students. One group has students with height lesser than a particular height and other group has students with heights greater than the particular height. How would she do that? Let us see the various options she has. She can find the mean. The mean is you have to find by divided by 7, that is 113.5. So if the teacher divides the students into two groups on the basis of this mean height such that one group has students of height less than the mean height and another group has students with height more than the mean height, then the groups would be of unequal size. They would have 7 or and 10 members respectively. The second option for her is to find the mode. Right? The observation with the highest frequency is 115 centimeter, which would be taken as mode. There are several children below the mode and 10 children at the mode and above the mode. Therefore, you cannot divide the group into two equal parts. Right? Let us therefore think of an alternative representative value or measure of central tendency. For doing this, we again look at the given heights in centimeter of students, arrange them in ascending order. We have the following observations. Right? The middle value in this data is 115 because this value divides the students into two equal groups of 8 students each. This value is called the median. Median refers to the value which lies in the middle of the data when arranged in an increasing or decreasing order, with half of the observations above it and the other half below it. The game's teacher decides to keep the middle student as a referee in the game. Here you consider only those cases where the number of observations is odd. Thus, in a given data, arranging in ascending or descending order, the median gives the middle observations. Right? Note that in general, we may not get the same value for median and mode. Thus, we realize that mean, mode, median are the numbers that are the representative values of a group of observations or data. They lie between the maximum and minimum and maximum values of the data. They are also called the measures of central tendency. Here, if we find the mean of the data, this. Therefore, we arrange the data in ascending order. We get this 17, 18, 20. Median, we have to find the median. Therefore, median is the middle observation. Therefore, 25 is the median, right? That means we have to use the various measures of central tendency. That is, first one is mean, and median, and mode, right? Next, we will solve the various exercises after this video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share.